Today, we are going to register a Facebook account. Click on Create New Account. On the next page that appears, enter your first name and last name. Select your date of birth and choose male or female. After completing this, you will need a phone number. So where will you get the number? Simply go back to the Trust OTP website. Search for the service in the search bar. After searching the service, choose the country you want. For example, I selected the United States. Now click on Get Code. Instantly, you will receive a number. Copy this number, go back to Facebook, paste the number here. Now choose a strong password. After that, click on the Submit option. Here you can see a confirmation code is required. Go back to the Trust OTP website where it says Waiting for SMS. You can see the SMS has been received without any tension. Enter the verification code and click Continue. That's it. Your Facebook account has been created easily without any tension. As you can see, the Facebook account is ready. You can create unlimited Facebook accounts. Besides that, many other services are available. You can register Telegram, register different apps. I have already uploaded many tutorials, so you can visit the channel as well. I hope you like this video.